Hello everyone, Johnny here. Today in this tutorial, we will learn about how to solve a longest word in a string using JavaScript. So this is our question today. For example, consider the string web development tutorial. In this, the development has highest number of characters. So based upon the word length, it will try to output the particular word from a string. Next example, upskill during COVID by Johnny Tutorials. So Johnny Tutorials will be the output. So it will try to take a string as an input and it will try to echo that word which has highest length, the length of the particular word in a string. For this we need to brush up some basics. So let us look into this part. Let us jump into a Sublime Text, the editor. Now we are trying to write a code on this. First one, we will try to understand how to declare a var. We are trying to declare a var for variable declaration, and I am trying to take a string str here, string. I am trying to write hello, and I am trying to display this. We have a predefined method called length, which is used to calculate the length of a particular string. For example, a.length I have written like this. So it will try to display the length of this particular string. In this I have included a space, so it will try to include the space value also. Let us see now. Now what is the length? What is the error we got? Yes, we have taken str here. So control S. So based upon the variable name. So we are trying to refer a variable which has been not defined yet. Now what will be the output of the snippet? It will try to refer as 7 as it includes the white space. Next one. Now I am trying to look into the other method. I am trying to take one more method, string str new. In this I am trying to write how are you. How are you? In this I am trying to write something called console.log, and we are trying to use a next method here, str.split. So split will try to divide the string, in the sense it will try to split each and every character. For example, let us see the output of the snippet so that we can understand it much clearly. Can you see the snippet output? Like it is trying to write, oh, again I have used the same previous string. It is strn now. So it has been splitting each and every character from the above string. That is, it is separating each and every character from the above string. Now if I want to make sure that each and every word will be separated, now I have taken new. Let me take the same string again so that we can understand the difference. Console.log, and I am trying to write strn dot split. Here I am trying to take delimiter as space, so by default it will be comma. So I am trying to separate the letters between using the space. Let me check the output now. Can you see we got three different words, that is how are you. Now let us learn about the next method. Firstly we have understood about a length, next one split. Now let us elaborate much about it. Like we will try to learn about sort. I have a list of students here. Like I have taken a list of students like Veera, Anu, Sonu, and something like Ramu. I have taken this length. So in this I am trying to write console.log. Again I am trying to display this output. I am trying to call the array name here. It is holding the four values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 for Veera and 1 for Anu, and I am trying to use method called sort. So let us see what will be the output of the snippet now. Can you see the line number 22 now? The output is Anu, Ramu, Sonu and Veera. It is trying to sort the letters alphabetically, right? Now let us see, we will be using some more method called sort using EF6 notation. What is it? Let us see the difference between it. I am trying to use an array name here. In this array I am trying to take three values again, like A, C, D, E, and again I am trying to take A, B, C, D, E, F. G. Okay, so I'm trying to take 3 values here. Now in this, again we are trying to write console.log array dot, as the name of the array is array here. I'm trying to I just want to take this thing. So now let us understand sort in the using ES6 notation. Like I'm taking the array sort. In this I'm trying to take two parameters, in the sense like a and b, and I'm trying to use an arrow function here, arrow function. So in this sort, as I'm taking two values, I'm just passing it. Now let me write b dot length minus a dot length. It will try to give us the values from highest to lowest values. So now in the snippet, if you see, like I have written array dot sort of console and parenthesis with this console. Now let us see the snippet now. Can you see, we got from the highest the word, the array word which has the highest number of characters is displayed on the top, followed by the lowest. So A B C D E G C D E and A B G. This is the one way. For example, I want to print the same thing. Using like this. If I have written something like this, A dot length and B dot length. So what will be the output of the snippet? Let's see. So that you can differentiate between both of this. First one, it is trying to print from the characters which is highest to lowest. Next one, it is trying to print the characters from lowest to highest. Let me write some more string here so that we can understand it more clearly. Now let's see the snippet. Now it is able to differentiate clearly. So first one will try to give us the values from highest to lowest, and next one will from the lowest to highest. So this is how these are the basic functionalities which we are required to calculate the longest word in a string. Now let us jump into the code. So hope you are clear with this methods. If you have any queries, you can just drop in the comment box below this video, so it will be much clear. Like, let us jump into the code now. So now let us jump into the code. Now I have taken some string here. Let me take some string. So I have taken something like this. I'm trying to take console.log. In this I'm trying to take my function name as longest. In this longest I'm trying to take this string as upskill during COVID by Johnny Tutorials. So this is how I'm trying to take a function here. What is the function name here? Longest. Let me write the same thing here, function longest. So I'm trying to take longest function here. So in this I should able to pass this value. So what is the value? I have taken some argument as upskill during the COVID by Johnny Tutorials, and the parameter as text here. So we are trying to call this function. So in this I'm trying to write some logical part. Let us see how we can write this code. In the first step, we need to have some declaration, in the sense some variable declaration, like how we would split it, in the sense upskill during COVID by Johnny Tutorials. We should able to do it. So let me take, now in this I'm trying to take variable str split. In this, what is the string I have? I have some text here, text dot split of. So in the first line we are trying to split each and every word, upskill during COVID and all these things. So if I want to split, we have something called, we can use space, so that each and every word will be splitted here. Next thing, I'm trying to take some longest word. I'm trying to take the value of longest word. Initially it is 0. We haven't declared anything. Now I am trying to take variable I equals to 0, I less than. So in str split variable, we will have each and every word, upskill during COVID and all. So I'm just trying to calculate the length of it. str split, and I'm trying to increment it. In the sense, I'm trying to iterate the each and every word. In this, I'm trying to write, I want to make sure that the word whatever we have splitted, we should able to calculate the length of it. So what would the length of it, like the value will be like first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So I'm just trying to calculate the length of it so that we can iterate the values. So in using this for loop, we are trying to iterate the length of that particular string what we have given, that is the each and every individual word. In this I'm trying to use calculate the word, that is str split of dot length greater than longest word. What is the longest word we have here? 0. As of now it is 0. In this I'm trying to take longest word equals to str split of I dot length. It means it will try to iterate the loop until or unless it will match the length of a highest word. In the sense, it will try to take first one, and it will try to compare what is the first word length, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and it will try to calculate the length of it. It will compare with greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then it will be storing in this longest word. Again it will try to compare with this word, again it will try to compare with this word. So it will try to compare with a particular word repeatedly until or unless it matches the string. Now let us see how it works. But we also need to return this word. In the sense, whatever the longest word which has been retrieved, we need to return it. So I am trying to use a return keyword here. Return longest word. Return longest word. So let us check this snippet. We got 15. So let me check whether the character is 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So the length of it is 15. So we got answer like this. Let me use this length method. We can easily calculate. Variable str is equals to control v, console.log str. Let me check. Str dot length. We have just echoed the value. Now we are trying to print it. Yes, it is right. So the length of the word has been in this array. Now let us elaborate this code much clearly. So let us look into the presentation part so that you will understand how it has been iterated in this for loop. Let us see the snippet now. So first we have started with the length. Next we have learned about a split method. Next one for sort. Next one, if I want to print something from the highest to lowest and lowest to highest, we have used ES6 notation. Now in this, let us see. In the first thing, it is trying to split the word. That is, it will try to split as upskill, comma, during, comma, COVID and Johnny tutorials, and the word as 0. In this, the logic is present. Now str.split.length will be the value of how many words we have in this array. So it will be this length, and it will try to calculate. So let us see how it works. In the first iteration, it will try to check if for I equal to 0, yes, I plus plus. So let us see if upskill greater than 0. In the sense, upskill, what is the length of this upskill? 7 greater than 0, yes. So automatically in the longest word the length will be 7 now. Now it will be checking with the during dot length. During dot length, it is as it is 6, as it is less than, as it is false, it will not store this value. It will be the oldest value, that is 7. Again it will try to pass with COVID with 5. As it is false, the longest word will have the same value. Again with by 2 greater than 7, as it is false, the longest word will be 7. Now it will compare with Johnny tutorials dot length greater than 7. As it is 15, so it will try to calculate. The 15 is the answer. So the longest word is of 15 character length. So this is how we have solved with the first logic. Now let us jump into the next logic. Let us jump into the next logic now. So we have learned about sort here. using the sort method we are trying to write another simple logic where it will try to use this code. In this I'm trying to write function. I'm trying to write again a smallest or longest word. Let me write longest word now. I'm trying to take a function. In this function I will be calling this function, right? So in this function I'm trying to call this function, and I'm trying to pass the same value now. I'm trying to pass the same value. Let me pass the same value. Let me pass the same value. Now in this, what I'm trying to use a sorted array, in the sense where it will try to use first one called. So I should able to pass this one here. So I should able to pass some parameter. So I'm trying to write here text dot split. As you know, split will try to list out each and every word. In the sense, it will separate each and every word. In this, I'm trying to write sort. In this sort, I'm trying to write word A, word B. Yes. So for this, as I'm trying to use this as a arrow function, so I'm trying to write in this way. So what will be the thing now? Word B dot length. As we need to get from the descending order, we will be writing in this way. Length. Sorry, it's length. Now we got this one. Now it will try to split the word upskill during COVID by Johnny Tutorials, and it will try to perform in the highest to lowest. In the sense, Johnny Tutorials will be on the top, but if I want to return this value, what is this I can use? I can use sorted. It will be in the form of array, so I'm trying to use the 0 value, that is on the topest value. Let me check the output of the snippet now. Yes, we got Johnny Tutorials. So let us elaborate this word. First one, split, will try to differentiate, in the sense it will separate each and every word with a space. Now word A and word B are the parameters which we have passed, and we are trying to differentiate it as we are using this one like this. So it will try to list out the values from the top. In the sense, the largest word will be on the top, and we will be trying to return using the value, that is array of 0. In the sense, the first topest value will be returned on the topest value. Let us elaborate this snippet now. Sorry, it's gone wrong. Let us see. So based upon this, it is performing this way. So in this tutorial we have understood about length, split, sort, using this arrow function also, that is ES6 notation, where it will try to calculate from the descending to and ascending the values highest to lowest and lowest to highest, and we have find out the largest word using these two solutions. If you have any queries on this program, you can just drop us a mail